All right, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to HUC High Universal Cut. So this is high fade. Let's dive into this haircut, and I don't want to waste much of our time. So the first thing you need to do is to comb the hair thoroughly to see how the hair grows. So after you comb the hair thoroughly, you set your clipper on what skin level by joining the blade together. Then you texture the first guard line. You put it on skin level to create the first guard line. Please, if today is your first time watching my channel, please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share so that other people will benefit from this video. Once you subscribe, turn your notification bell on so that whenever I post, you'll be the first to see it. So after you have raised your hand upward, remember what I did there. I joined the blade together to be on skin level. Make sure you brush down, you brush off the hair that is coming out from there. Texture it very well. So see what I'm doing, watch how my hand is moving. Please take your time to watch this video from beginning to the end and share, comment anything, anywhere you see that I'm not doing it well, please correct me. We are all learners. Please watch how my hand is moving. See now, I've turned my hand downward to skin the hair. The first one, I raised my hand upward to carry the hair up first before I turn my hand downward to skin it. Reason is because if you start skinning it when the hair is bushy, you weaken the blade. Do you get? So that is why I normally do it like that. So the second guard line is going to be on low cut level. Bring the gel down, open the blade, you texture, you create another second guard line. Texture it very well, follow it accordingly. Don't rush. Whenever you are cutting someone's hair, please do not rush. This is tutorial purpose. That is why I'm taking it slowly. There is no how you watch this video from beginning to the end that you'll not be able to cut this kind of hairstyle. It's very simple. Barbing is simple and it's hard. It's simple in the sense that once you have the Z for it, you'll be able to do it. Now watch what I did there. Now I want to remove the line, the first guideline that I created. I joined the blade together again to make sure that I remove the line between the second and the first guard line. Can you see what I'm doing? So that is how you do it. Please, if you are not following me on TikTok, Facebook, the same name, High Universal Cut. So the third guard line is going to be on step 1. This is step 1. Insert your blade in your clipper, bring the gel downward. See, follow it accordingly. Texture it very well. Follow it gradually. There is no how you watch this video from beginning to the end that you will not be able to cut this kind of hairstyle. Please, if you have not joined my membership pack, join my membership pack, because very soon I'll be unleashing the secrets, and it's only those that are under my membership list that will be able to access the video. So that membership is all about you helping me with the little token that you can. Do you understand? I know it's not easy. If you know that I'm really trying, please support us. Comment, like, share, so that little know that we are doing something educational. Do you understand? So watch how my hand is moving. Now I bring the GI1 downward. I open the clip again. See the way I'm flipping it? You see the way I'm flipping it? Follow it gently. Follow it gently. See the way I'm flipping my hand? Can you see it? Watch what I'm doing. Follow me on TikTok, Facebook, the same High Universal Cut. After that, you will turn your hand. You turn your hand. Then you can use step 1.5. Use step 1.5 if the hair is bushy. You see different here now. I'm using step 1.5 to create the shape of the high fade, which you can also call round cut. Afro round cut, you can also call it. See now, I've used step 1.5 to bring the blending shape very well. Can you see what I'm doing? Can you see that the blending is coming out small? Watch how I'm moving my hand. Watch the way how I'm changing the steps. These are the bases that you need to know. When to use step 1, when to use step 2, how to move your hand, how to hold your clipper, the direction it will follow. Can you see what I'm doing, guys? So after that, you remove that step 1.5. Please give us a thumbs up, share. After that, you still use your step 1 again. Step 1, listen very attentively. Those of you that are saying I'm talking too much, I don't blame you. Listen very well. Now you turn your hand, put it on low cut level. See the way I'm blending it as if I'm brushing the hair. Watch this tutorial very well. Watch it very well. See the way I'm brushing it. See, I'm not going upward, rather I'm taking it from the tip side. Can you see what I'm doing? Make sure you're brushing the hair to see if the blending is coming out well or not. Do you understand? See what I'm doing? See what I'm doing? Can you see it? Make sure you're dusting off your client's body, the face. So after that, take your time to blend the hair well. I told us that barbering is all about what? Patience. If you don't have patience, you can never be a good barber. So after that, you still turn your hand upward. You still on that was step 1. You still what? You still blend it up. You see what I'm doing? Take your time, just watch it. Time is coming when I will not be talking again, because I've done a lot of videos where I explained everything. So once I'm barbering, you automatically know what I'm doing. Do you understand? Don't forget to follow me on TikTok too. I do tutorial there, but short ones, the tips that you need to know. Follow me on Facebook, the same thing, high universal cuts. Do you understand? Please, if you know we are trying our best, please share this video, like, give us a thumbs up, subscribe. Once you subscribe, turn your notification bell on so that you'll be notified whenever I post a video. Did you see what I did here? Did you see it? I've removed the step 1. It's under what? Normal low cut blade. I brush it down. After I brush it down, you turn your hand upward, downward again. You blend the tip. Blend it very well. Blend the tip. See, I'm not going up inside, I'm not going up. Blend the tip, hold it very well, texture it very well. Can you see that the shape is coming out? There is no how you watch this video from beginning to the end that you will not barb and come and tell me in the comment section that, sir, I followed the procedure and I got it. So after you do it finish, you turn your clipper upward again to clean the line that is in that third guideline that you created. You blend it off. Blend it off. Take your time. Blend it off. Barbing requires time, patience. So as I was saying before, that barbing is simple and it's still hard. It's simple when you have passion for it, when you dedicate your time for it, and it's hard when you don't have passion for it. You can stay and learn 100 years, you may not be able to know how to do it. But if you have the passion for it, within 1 week you will start barbing. I promise you, all my boys, before 1 week they have started barbing. Not that they are perfect then, but at least they have started handling clipper. Do you understand? So if you really want to learn barbing, stick to this channel. This channel is all about theory and practical, and you'll never regret being part of this family. I love you guys. Subscribe, turn your notification bell.